Okay, so now we are going to discuss some more social issues. Today we discussed some social issues which were related to transgender, which were related to children's and women. Now I'm going to discuss one more topic which is related to tribals and about the tribal issue. Okay, so my next topic will be tribal welfare. About the tribal welfare. So this is my next topic in the social issues. Okay, so tribal welfare is very important actually. Nowadays, lots of interventions are done by the government of India for the tribal welfare, and that all interventions are actually important for exams perspective. So first of all, there is a PM Jan Man. It's not Janamana Gana, it's Janamana. That is Janjati Adivasi Nyay Mahabhiyan. Janjati Adivasi Nyay Mahabhiyan. Okay, this is the PM Janamana, and that was the Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. It is Tribal Pride Day. Tribal Pride Day. Okay, Tribal Pride Day. So that was in November 15. That was in November 15, and this is to recognize the tribal freedom fighter. Tribal freedom and fighter. Tribal freedom fighter, and that was birth anniversary of the Birsa Munda. Birth anniversary of the Birsa and Munda, and that was about the tribal freedom fighter of the Birsa Munda. Okay, so this is Janman. Janman was the Pradhan Mantri PVTG Development Mission, Development and Mission, PVTG Development Mission. That was PM and Janman. Okay, Pradhan Mantri PVTG. Vulnerable tribal groups होते हैं. 11 critical intervention are through the 9 ministries are involving 24 crore rupees, 24 and 1000 crore rupees are given by the government of India, and for the 3 years. Okay, so statuette PVTG household habitation basic facilities like cleaning water, drinking water, sanitation, and education and health. So Article 342. Article 342 is defining the ST communities as a tribal and specify the public notification. ST India is ST is 8.6%. In Lakshadweep it is 94%. So ST population in Lakshadweep is the highest, and now next one is the followed by the Mizoram. So first is Lakshadweep, then Mizoram. So there is a people should develop along the line of their own genius, and right to land and forest should be respected. Teams of tribal should be trained and judge results by the quality of human character. So World Tribal Day is also we are celebrating under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. There is a Ministry of the Tribal Affairs, and we are celebrating the World Tribal Day. World Tribal Day, August 9. It is August and 9, and to promote the protect the rights of the indigenous. First meeting UN Working Group of the Indigenous Population, and protection of the human right of the children. So now particular vulnerable peoples are there. Okay, so now second is particularly vulnerable tribal group. So this tribal group are recognizing the centrally recognizing under the ST. So see, this is the particularly and vulnerable and tribal group. This particularly vulnerable tribal group, and they are from recognizing the centrally, and they are recognized in 1973 primitive tribal group. Debar Commission was there, and there was a Debar Commission, and this Debar Commission was formed in 1961. Okay, So there is in 2006 the PVTG, PTG and the PVTG. They were defined. And pre-agricultural level technology. What are the problems? Problems with the tribals are the pre-agriculture related technology. Low level of literacy, so literacy level is also low. And third problem is economical backwardness, so backwardness is also a problem. And next is the declining the stagnant population, and population is also stagnant. So Odisha is there, and Odisha there is a 13 number of the PVTG. In Odisha there is a 13 number of the PVTG. Okay, and in Baria, Madhya Pradesh, and Kamar Bega, that is in Chhattisgarh. So Baria tribe, they are living in the Madhya Pradesh, and Kamar tribe and the Bega tribe, they are in Chhattisgarh. Bega, that they are living in the Chhattisgarh. They are living in the Chhattisgarh. So Baria, Kamar and Bega, they are the Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. So it's very important. Sometimes the UPSC asks the question Bega and Baria, and one more thing was the Kamar tribe. So where they live, actually they are living in the Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Okay, so this is all about the tribal population. So now measure taken for the tribal welfare. What kind of measures has been taken by the government of India? So some measures are taken from the government of India for tribal population. One is the for the tribal population. So tribal populations के लिए some measures are taken, and these measures are the Article 244, Article 244 of the Scheduled Tribes and the Schedule 5. Under the Schedule 5 of the Constitution, 244 is related to the tribal areas. And Article 275, grants are provided by the Government of India to the tribals. Grants to the tribal. Article 342, notification related to the ST. Article 338A, which is National Commission for ST. National and A Commission, National Commission for ST. Okay. Panchayat area like PESA Act. PESA Act is in 1996, that is preserve the tribal population. It is for the preserve the tribal. And Gram Sabha is also included in the Panchayat Extension PESA Act. Okay. Scheduled Tribe and Other Traditional Forest Dweller Act is also there. Forest Right Act. So Forest Right Act, that was implemented in 2006. It is ensure the land and livelihood and food security to forest. So land, food security and land and ट्रेडिशनल फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर हैं, जो फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर को क्या देना है, राइट्स देने हैं. नेक्स्ट इज एस सी एंड एस टी एट्रोसिटीज प्रिवेंशन एक्ट. Atrocity Act, that was in 1989, and Prevention Act. So Atrocity Prevention Act is also there. And one was the Article 244, then Section 5 of the Constitution, then 275 grants to the tribal, then notification to the ST people 342, then 338 में there is a amendment for the ST people. Okay, there is a National Commission for the ST people 338 and A, that is the Commission for the ST people. एंड एट्रोसिटीज के अगेंस्ट में 1989 में एक एक्ट आया था. एंड पर्सन जहाँ पे पेसा एक्ट बनाया गया था, पेसा एक्ट. सो दिस पेसा एक्ट वाज इन 1996. दिस इज ग्राम सभा जो होती है, ये इसमें मेजर अथॉरिटी होती है. एंड फॉरेस्ट राइट एक्ट, दैट वाज इन 2006. सो दिस ओल्ड इनिशिएटिव वी टेकन फॉर द ट्राइबल पीपल. Okay, other than this, there is the Eklavya Model Residential School, प्रधानमंत्री आदि आदर्श ग्राम योजना, प्रधानमंत्री जनजाति विकास योजना, and प्रधानमंत्री खनिज क्षेत्र विकास योजना. Okay, so first one is the Eklavya model of this school, then PM आदर्श ग्राम योजना, then प्रधानमंत्री जनजातीय विकास योजना, And then Pradhan Mantri Khanish and Kshetra Khanish Kshetra Kalyan Yojana. Okay, so this all was we implemented this. Now there is a denotified tribe. Denotified and tribe. Who are the denotified tribe? They are included in National Human Rights Commission. So National Human Rights Commission, and there is a Idate Commission, Idate Commission, and setting up the permanent commission for the denotified and nomadic and semi-nomadic tribes. So that is a denotified. They are notified the born as a criminal. They are the criminal tribes under the Act of 1871. Okay, so they can be salt trading, entertainment, snake charmer, jugglers. So Criminal Tribes Act was we made a Criminal Tribe Act that was in 1871, and Habitual and Habitual Offender Act 1952. So there is a Renke Commission and Renke Commission, and there is a Idate Commission. Renke and the Idate Commission, and there is a Vimukta Jati Day. Vimukta Jati Day was August 31, and this is Vimukta Jati Day. Okay, so this is the hunter हो सकते हैं, pastoral communities हो सकती हैं, peddlers भी हो सकते हैं. There is a National Commission for the denotified tribe, Dr. Ambedkar Post Matric Scholarship for the boys and the girls, Nanaji Deshmukh Scheme for the hostler and the boys and the girls, and Scheme for Economical Empowerment of the Denotified, that is the SEED scheme. Okay, the first is the National Commission for the notified tribe, and next is Dr. Ambedkar, and that was the pre matric and the post matric scholarship. Nanaji Deshmukh hostels are also there, and economical empowerment like seed scheme for the denotified tribe. So seed is a scheme which is for the denotified tribe, Ministry of Social Justice, and develop the welfare boards for the denotified, and there is a welfare boards welfare boards are also developed for the notified and denotified tribes. So this whole question we discussed about the tribal communities in the India. Okay, so that is actually important topic which we discussed.